What's going on, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and in this episode, we're opening up one of the most fun Matchbox series, the moving parts vehicles. Most of these models are from 2023 and celebrate the 70th anniversary of Matchbox, with a few of them being special anniversary editions dressed up in a platinum livery. The exciting thing about the moving parts collection is the variety of components that are interactive. Some vehicles have opening doors, while others have movable front hoods or rear trunks. Let's take a closer look at each car and get these sweet rides moved out of their packages. First up, we have the yellow 2023 Nissan Z, featuring opening driver and passenger doors. Up next is the all-electric Bollinger B2 in a matte black color with an opening front hood. Here's a bright blue 1978 Subaru Brat with a moving front hood to reveal its engine bay. Take a look at this green 1980 Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL with opening doors on both sides. This shiny red 2024 Chevy Blazer EV has a movable front hood that pops open with ease. Check out this silver Mercedes-Benz Unimog U5023 police vehicle that has a rotating axle between the cab and rear bed. Here we have a blue 2020 Nissan Leaf, which has two opening doors on this small electric vehicle. Part of the anniversary editions, this platinum 1964 Chevy C10 pickup has a movable front hood. The red 2020 BMW M4 Cabriolet is a hot ride with the top down and moving doors on both sides. A brightly colored 1995 Volkswagen Golf MK has a rear trunk that opens up to pack for a little road trip. Matchbox made an awesome Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van which has a sliding door that opens up to reveal the entire interior. This white 2020 Ram Rebel stands tall on the road and features a movable front hood over its engine. Another anniversary edition model, the 1956 Morris Minor, has a platinum livery and a movable front hood. Next is a classic 1950 Chevy Suburban in a dark green color that has a poppable hood over the front end. More electric vehicles in the lineup, the gold Nissan Ariya has a movable front hood to reveal its hidden EV components. Jumping to another battery vehicle, this GMC Hummer EV also features an opening front end, but this time with storage space. rescuing Matchbox City is the red 2019 Ram ambulance that has a set of opening doors on the back of the vehicle. Let's take a look at the gray Citroen EC4X that has a front hood that can open right up. Here's a Jungle Safari edition of the 1965 Land Rover Gen 2 pickup with opening doors on both sides of the truck. Up next for the anniversary editions is a platinum color of the Seagrave fire truck with a moving ladder on the roof. A blue 1996 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 4 joins the lineup with a front hood that you can pop open. This turquoise Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 has a white roof on top and a set of opening doors on both sides. Another Platinum 70th anniversary model is the 1961 Jeep FC, which has a typical rear truck bed. Small but stylish, this 2021 Fiat 500e is an electric vehicle with a rear opening hatch to run errands around town. The black 2020 Chevy Tahoe is a large SUV that has a movable front hood to showcase its engine. Last but not least, the 1957 Ford Country sedan is a red and white classic with an opening hood over the front end. So there you have it, guys. Those are a variety of moving parts Matchbox vehicles with awesome features that add excitement to each design. If you want to see more Matchbox and Hot Wheels videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.